Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to create Planet Fitness membership. So open up Planet Fitness site and then hit on sign up. And then now when you get to this screen here, just simply fill in with your details like your name, email address, password and all those things, and then type and then hit on next once you have done filling it. And then when you hit on next here, so what happens is Planet Fitness will send a verification email to your email address that you just entered. So you're going to go to your email address. I'm going to access my email address here and then open up the verification email from Planet Fitness, and then this is the one, and then hit on verify your account. So this is now going to verify my account and then complete the account creation process. So I'm just waiting for this to complete with the verification, and then my account should load up once that's done. So hopefully, okay, so once this is completed here, so my account is now been created. So I've created my account, so I can now simply browse and then get a membership if I want to join any clubs, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video